So let's review how to do a modified Tunisian simple stitch. So normally in simple stitches that we would just go in the vertical bar and we pick it up and we pull through. Okay, so that would be the regular Tunisian simple stitch. This case what we want to do is we want to do the modified. So let me just reset this. So what you need to do is that you need to slide through the vertical bar first, so the next vertical bar through, and if you just peel it back a little bit you can see that there is the return pass there, and you want to go into the horizontal bar that is just before the next vertical bar. So you just want to go in the horizontal there and then pick it up and pull it through. This changes the look of the fabric. So you're gonna go into the next vertical, but you're not done. Just look for the next horizontal one before the next vertical and pull through. So you go for vertical and then horizontal. So vertical and horizontal. And you're gonna do that all the way across. So it changes how your work looks. So on the very last one here, so you're gonna go in the vertical and the horizontal, but you still have the outside one here to do. So just turn it and just treat it like it's a regular stitch, so that there's two strands and then yarning over, pulling it through. And now let's return the pass. So in order to return, chain one, that's your chain up one to start, and then pulling through twos. So two all the way back, and I'll show you one more row of the modified Tunisian simple stitch. So it changes how it looks. So let's do another row of Tunisian. Okay, so let's do another one. So we're gonna go in the vertical bar and then the horizontal, so straight up before the next vertical that you see, and pull through. So vertical, horizontal, just like that. Okay, that was the last one, and then to do the last one just turn it and it's two strands, looks like a regular stitch, pull through, and then to return just chain through one first and then return through twos all the way back. And that would be then the modified Tunisian stitch. So you see it looks different than what you did for the simple stitch that's below it. So it looks different and it's really quite awesome, and you can see the back looks different too. So without further ado, let's move on to your next tutorial.